the 2013 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 30,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like power windows, mirrors, and seats, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, and seat memory. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.